Wash your hands.
Get out ingredients. Get out cooking tools. Hi guys, we're making pancakes. So for pancakes, you should have out your ingredients already. You'll need the pancake mix, cooking spray, milk, or in our recipe it says you could also use water. Then when you're done, you're gonna want syrup and butter, or whatever you usually put on pancakes. You're also going to need a mixing bowl and a whisk or a spoon, a skillet or a griddle, and 2/3 cup and a 1 cup. That's for the pancake mix. Okay, let's start cooking. Okay, so first we're gonna measure out a cup of our pancake mix. Okay, and then our recipe says you can either use milk or water. I'm gonna use milk. It's supposed to be 2/3 of a cup. My measuring cup is a 1/3, so I need to use it twice. Okay. Now we're gonna mix it together. You're supposed to mix it until it's combined, but you can still have some lumps in it. If you over mix it, it kind of makes your pancakes a rubbery texture. I'm gonna put my top right burner on medium heat. Right there. Now I'm going to lightly use my cooking spray to spray the top of my skillet. I'm gonna use one of my measuring cups as my scoop for when I put it on the skillet. This is my 1/3 scoop to make kind of medium-sized pancakes. And they're gonna spread out, so you're gonna need to space them out. You might wanna only do one at a time. And now we need to let them cook for a minute. Okay, after about 2 minutes, you're gonna wanna check your pancake. So look at the bottom of it, and if it looks brown, that means you can flip it. You're gonna wanna hold the handle of your skillet in one hand and your spatula in the other. Probably not a selfie stick. Okay, and then you're gonna wait about another minute or so and check these. Okay, on medium heat, these cook pretty fast, so you can kind of check. And once they look brown, you need to add them to a plate. Okay, now that we're all done, we need to turn the burner off. Once I turn my burner off, this little red light turns off. That's how I know if I've left my burner on or not. Add your toppings. Okay, say it again.
The best pancake.
Put milk back in the fridge. Put butter back in the fridge. Put pancake mix and syrup in the pantry. Wash the dishes.